जी अस्सलाम वालेकुम, क्या हाल चाल हैं जी आपके? ठीक हैं, उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। और आज हम अपनी नई वीडियो स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एंड दिस वन रिलेटेड to the previous video as well. So as you can see that I have already written the heading of a couple of examples related to the formulas about a plus b whole cube and a minus b whole cube. As we have already read about these formulas that a plus b when two variables are adding with each other, and when we take the cube of them, so it will be equal to cube of first plus cube of second plus 3 into first into second into first plus second. And if you get the minus sign in between them, so that will be equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So we are going to learn about taking some couple of examples that suppose that the first formula is a plus b whole cube. So I'm taking the values like, suppose x plus 1 over x is equals to 8. If x plus 1 over x is equals to 8, then find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. So if x plus 1 over x is given as number 8, so we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. So by these two expressions given in the question or in the example, these are x plus 1 over x and x cube plus 1 over x cube. X plus 1 over x is given, and x cube plus 1 over x cube, we have to find it. So if you see these two expressions, so we can understand that x cube plus 1 over x cube we have to find. तो क्या करेंगे, हमारे जहन में डायरेक्ट ये फार्मूला आना चाहिए कि जिसमें हमारे पास a plus b whole cube is equals to a plus a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So इन क्वेश्चंस को सॉल्व करने का तरीका ये होता है कि जो चीज़ आपको गिवन है, let's start with that thing. So x plus 1 over x is given is equals to 8. So we have to find the x cube plus 1 over x cube. तो क्या करेंगे, by taking cube on both sides. Why are we taking the cube? Because the value we have to find is given in x cube plus 1 over x cube. So take the cube of the given expression. So in this situation that we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 over x cube. So we have taken the cube on both sides. So now we have to put the formula that first plus second whole cube, as we have already known about the formula of this a plus b, first plus second whole cube will always equals to in this form. So we are going to open this formula, open these brackets, that what will we get? That the cube of first plus cube of second plus 3 into first into second. फर्स्ट यहाँ पे x है, सेकंड यहाँ पे 1/x है, into first plus second. And this 8 cube means that 8 is multiplied by 3 times. So 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 8. So what we're going to do, that we will simplify the things as we can. So यहाँ पे cube आएगा, so x cube plus 1/x cube, ये x और ये x आपस में कैंसिल हो जाएगा, बाकी आपके पास 3 बच जाएगा. And then x plus 1/x, if you see that x plus 1/x is given, is equals to 8. So we will put the 8. So 3 multiplied by 8. Or you can use the brackets, means multiply. So 3 into 8. And 8, when 3's are multiplied with each other, 8 8's are 64, and then 64 8's are 112. Sorry, 512. So next step, what we will do, that x cube plus 1/x cube उसी तरह आ जाएगा, plus 3 8's are 24 is equal to 512. Then what we have to find? We have to find the x cube plus 1/x cube as given over there. Find the value of x cube plus 1/x cube. So ये 24 इसके साथ जो है वो एक्स्ट्रा है और प्लस हो रहा है, इसको इक्वल्स के दूसरी साइड पे लेके जाएंगे, then it will be subtracted from the 512 on the other side. So x cube plus 1/x cube is equals to 512 minus 24. So x cube plus 1/x cube, 512 में से 24 माइनस कर देंगे तो आपके पास 488 आ जाएगा. So that's the answer, that x cube plus 1/x cube is equals to 488. So we have found the value of x cube plus 1/x cube as given in an example, that find the value of x cube plus 1/x cube. So ये x cube plus 1/x cube की value आपके पास 488 आ गई. So that's the way that by using the formula, how can we find the values. So ये एक छोटी सी example थी related to the first formula, a plus b whole cube. So उम्मीद है कि आपको समझ आई होगी. इंशाल्लाह ताला अपने नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कोई एक और एग्जांपल लेके इसको सॉल्व करने की कोशिश करेंगे और यूज़ करेंगे दैट फार्मूला a minus b whole cube, which is equals to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. So उम्मीद है कि आपको ये चीज़ समझ आई होगी. इंशाल्लाह ताला अपनी नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मिलते हैं. चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा और क्वेश्चंस को समझने के लिए वीडियोस को पूरा देखें ताकि आपको समझ आ सके that how we find the values or how can we learn the formulas and how can we find the values that by using the formulas. So today's lecture is now going to be over. Inshallah we'll meet in our next video. तब तक अपना ध्यान रखें. खुदा हाफिज़.